Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to install a Windows app. The reason I made this video is because a lot of you were searching for this and you couldn't find any good matches, so here I have it. So first, go and search the app you want to install. Then get the 64-bit version or the 32-bit version if you have to. Now, go to your File Explorer and go to Downloads. Open MSI Combustor Setup. I mean the setup for the click yes. Click I accept the agreement. Click next. Then choose your folder. Then you can create a shortcut in the start menu. I just won't, but you can do it if you want. I don't know what the quick launch is. Maybe it's the taskbar, but you'll definitely want to create a desktop shortcut. These are the now click install. Now we have made everything. Click next, and if you want to launch it, then go. See, now we have the app installed and it's ready to use. If you enjoyed the video, comment, like, and subscribe, because only 0.7% of you are actually subscribed when watching. So, goodbye.